Hi all! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can avail the MeraTutor Homie trial for free. All you need to do is sign up on our app and try it out. No credit card needed. First, just visit the home page and click on Login to get started. If you have a Gmail account, here's how you can sign up. Click on Create a new account. Accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Make sure to read through them. Then click on Sign up with Google. So I'm selecting my Gmail account, just like that, then clicking Continue on this page. You'll see it completes the Google sign-in process, and that's it. We're almost there. Now it will ask for an OTP code, which is sent to the Gmail account you used to sign up for Homie. Make sure to check your inbox. Yep, there it is. We received the OTP code from MeraTutor Homie. It's 206483. So I'll enter 206483 and click on Verify OTP. And as you can see, I'm now successfully logged in to the MeraTutor Homie platform. So what are you waiting for? Go and check out the Homie today.